Hi, welcome to this video on troubleshooting pH calibrations for the YSI ProQuatro.
Slow or unstable response. Clean the sensor with a mild detergent or pH cleaner. Recalibrate and check the slope. Buffer issues. Use fresh buffers and discard if the solution is cloudy, discolored, or past expiry. Calibrate at room temperature whenever possible to allow adequate time for temperature equilibrium. Wrong sensor, setup port, and configuration. On 4-port Quattro cables, port 2 has no reference of its own. It uses the reference from the pH or ORP sensor in sensor port 1. You must have a working pH or ORP sensor in sensor port 1 for any second pH or ORP results in sensor 2 to work properly. Check sensor setup so the instrument configuration matches the installed sensors. For example, pH on YSI 1 if a pH probe is in port 1. Low slope after cleaning. The electrode may be approaching the end of its life. Some electrodes can be revived with more aggressive cleaning protocols, but often replacement is the most reliable solution. Always store the pH probes in a wet probe protector provided in the kit.
Thanks for watching this video in our playlist for calibrating pH on the YSI ProQuatro. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series to ensure you get the most from your instrument. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AMET team on 1-800-000-744.